Right, she's stripped down now. Problem we have is a seized alternator. So, I know the crank's not seized, I've turned that. I'll just chuck a battery on it and see what happens, shall we? Let's have a look. Hey, look at that, she's a goer. Yeah, that's happy, that is. Can't wait too long to get in the water. Well, Maisie has come to life. That's good, that is. Look at the whole thing. Bit more TLC. Well, I'll take this cover off, put a new chain on it, fully service it. It hasn't got aircon, so I'll fit aircon to it. That'll come off of this pulley and the alternator. Yeah, she's a work in progress, shall we say. Happy days. Well, that's at least I'll be able to go somewhere now. I've got an engine running. Woohoo, that's made my day. Oh well, wait for the next post. See ya.